Today we're going to look at these words: all, every and each. We're going to learn how to use them and put them into a sentence. Hello wherever you are, my name is Margaret and welcome to my channel. So here we go. All means a total number. All houses have a roof. All houses have a roof. Every means collectively. Collectively. So every house in my street has a garage. Every house in my street has a garage. So street is where every house is. So that's why it's collectively. These are the houses. This circle is the street. Okay? The last one, each house has a number on it. Does your house have a number? My house is number 27. Each house has a number. Each one, individually. Each one by one. Okay? So let's look at those sentences using our words. All houses have a roof. Every house has a garage in my street. Each house has a number on it. I hope that's helped you with learning the words all, every and each. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a lovely one. Bye bye for now.